Okay, guys, this is Wednesday, November the 19th, and you're probably thinking, doesn't she have any other clothes? Yes, I do. I like this jacket. I always wear this jacket when I come home from work because it's warm, and if I get, sorry, I got the scanner going, and if I get hot, I can unzip it, I can take it off, and I always wear a t-shirt and a long sleeve shirt underneath my clothes. So, and I got a zillion of these gray shirts and these t-shirts. So no, I don't wear the exact same thing except this every day. So just in case you're wondering. Anyway, I have an unboxing and I couldn't resist it. It's a big box, and I got it the other day, but I have not had time to unbox it. Everybody that knows, let me turn this off. Let me just turn this off for a little bit. Everybody that knows me well knows I love Michael Kors. It's my favorite designer, and I have a thing about Michael Kors purses and shoes. Yeah. And there is a purse that is my favorite. I have two favorite kinds of Michael Kors purses. One is a medium Morella, and the other one is the Voyager Tote. And got this packing stuff. So I'll start with this. I always have to have a wallet to match my purse. I would have liked to have a small wallet also, but I went ahead a while back and got a kind of a cream colored one. That way I could use it for any purse, and I didn't have to buy that. I didn't have to buy two wallets. So this is the Jet Set Travel wallet. Oh, do I need that? Do I need scissors? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I'll have to tell you about my arm. That's probably a whole nother story. I can't hardly use my right arm. Okay, so let me get this undone. And I have to watch the trash because Flipper will just take stuff out of the trash. Okay, I usually go for gold. Gold is my favorite color of, what do you call it? Jewelry. I was reading on my thing. Anyway, this is one of the first times I've really deviated, and I got this red. I have a wallet exactly like this, but it is gold. So this is called the Jet Set wallet. I don't use this thing on here, but you put your checkbook in, your cards in, stuff like that. You can, it's got all sorts of little things in here. But I have never, and it's kind of, this one's kind of puffy. I have never had red before. So, if you're wondering, of course, the hardware has to be gold. I will not get silver hardware. To me, that's horrible. I don't like it. Okay. I did get a purse once with silver hardware, and I hated it. So, you can probably imagine what color the purse is. Now, let me get rid of this box down here, because I keep all of this packaging. So I am going to actually put this packaging, put this back in the packaging. I need? No, I do not need scissors. I just want to protect my stuff. Because sometimes I will go from one purse and then I will go to another. And then I will go change again. And so as you can see, it's pretty well, they pretty well take care of their stuff, Michael Kors. So I'm going to undo all of this stuff. No, my arm, this summer, I was reaching behind the seat to get something. You know how you pull your arm back like that? And I did something horrible to my arm, and it hurt so bad. It hurt unbelievable. There's all, no, get out of the trash. Unbelievable. And now I have trouble reaching for things. It hurts. Or if I move my arm a certain way, or if I try to put my arm behind my back, I can't. And my arm is messed up. So I looked at it online, and it looks like I pulled my tendon away from my shoulder. So, look how shiny that red is. So one of the ways, I don't know what she pulled out of there. So one of the ways to diagnose it is an MRI, which, you know, I do have insurance now. Give me that. But I really don't want to spend my $3,000 deductible. Now, I keep all the inside stuff, too. But you know, I hate to really pull this all. Let's see, does it have a dust bag? Kind of. Pull this all out. But I will just kind of show you my new bag. Now, I've had 3 other gold bags like this that are shiny. I'm just going to put this in here. And I had one once that was brand new in this kind of packaging. And I was going to keep it till I was ready to use it. And it went bad on me. The shiny stuff turned real dull. And it kind of got messed up. So I try to use my purses whenever I can use them. So right now I'm using the gold version of this. I'm going to save this packing just because Flipper is over here and she's going to make mincemeat of it. So there you go. There's my unboxing. I still have Christmas to get. I'm looking at a couple of things, but I'm wanting to see if they get cheaper as it goes on. I also saw on Diamond Art Club's Facebook that somebody was using a 1,500 to 2,000 puzzle piece like a desk. The desk part tips and it raises and lowers. I'm going to put this in the other room real quick, but I'm still going to try and talk. So that is the kind of desk I would really, really like to have for diamond painting. Cat. I really need some kind of a desk because the last time I did my diamond painting, my back hurt so bad. It was horrible. And I need something that tips. And this would be good for the big diamond paintings. So, I've been looking at that. That's basically it. So, but yeah, I still have Christmas to do. But anyway, it's getting late. I need to listen to the scanner because a call just came in a little bit ago. So anyway, that is my partial unboxing of my new purse. Maybe later I will do a what's in my purse, and then I could show you the whole thing, the whole purse eventually. But for right now, I don't feel like changing purses over. Sometimes that's a job. I mean, you got to figure out what you're doing with the stuff you don't want in there. And it's just kind of a pain. What do you think about the lips? It's not lipstick. It is Rihanna's Fenty Beauty Amethyst Gloss Bomb Stick. I love it. Of course, I love anything sparkly and shiny. And can you look at that? Isn't that neat? I've had this for a while, but when I was tan, stuff wouldn't show up on me like now. So this is the lightest I get. Actually, I think sometimes my face makeup is a little too light, but I use the Fenty. It's kind of, you can tell I use it. The Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in 200 is my lightest shade. I love this stuff. This stuff, my face is oily and I can go all day long and never open up my powder to powder my face. My other makeup, I have to powder my face all the time. The only thing is this is hard to match because I wouldn't, when I was looking for a match, I kept going too light. This actually goes on light and then it oxidizes and then it gets a little darker on you. So you have to keep that in mind when you get this makeup. I'm going off the subject. I got to get ready for bed. I got to do some of this box. So anyway, that is what I have for now. And if I get any other ideas for videos, I'll shoot you a video. All right. Thanks, guys.